scrapes and cuts sometimes because they're rough.
Oh, he just farted.
Dance, Emma. Gotta dance when you wash a horse. That's better. Make the dust go in Kristen's face. Stinky horsey.
Yeah. Look at my coat. Can I see your coat? Are you gonna help Sheila?
Yeah. I'm gonna come in with the brick afterwards. You guys get all the mud off, and I'll do the brick.
Okay, then you're doing it all by yourself?
No. You guys want to help? Oh, good, Emma. You're getting right to the top.